Hello guys, and today we're gonna talk about birds. Birds have beaks and they possess a hollow bone. Birds have wings for their flight. They practice